Welcome to the Bestseller Club series. This is Som Batla, author of 22 books at Amazon and founder of Author Freedom Hub, a community of aspiring authors. We have 1,000 plus aspiring authors in this community. And this series is called Bestseller Club series, where we interview people in the community who join us, write the book, publish the book, and take it to bestseller level at Amazon. And today we have with us Apurv Parekh from Ahmedabad, and he's a finance specialist from last 14 years. He's working in the banking segment, and he's now running his own consulting in the project and corporate finance. He joined my community in September 2020, and within a month of joining, he published his first book, and now he has published his 3 books already. And this, if you're joining this channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And with that, let's get started with Apurv. Hey Apurv, welcome to the interview.
Thank you very much, sir, and thank you very much for calling me here.
Pleasure to have you. Pleasure to have you. Wonderful. What an achievement. Like, you published 3 books in the last 4 or 5 months, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How does it feel to publish yourself? How does it feel?
It is a great achievement, I feel, because before thinking to publish the book, I was thinking that these are the great people who are writing the book and publishing the book. So it was the thinking like that. But during the lockdown period, I able to understand this is the thing, and I attended your seminars and webinars, so I was able to know that we can able to write the book and publish the book, and within 1 month one can able to do this thing.
Yes, not the. I mean, not only experts. We normal people can write the books, right?
Yes.
Good. So I'm so happy for you. So now let's now start the discussion. Why don't you tell something about you? I mean, I just give a quick background of yours, but why don't you spend some time in introducing yourself, about your background, and how this whole journey, when the seed germinated and when you were able to finally publish the book. Let people know about your journey.
Yes, okay. Basically, I am from Ahmedabad. So I lived in Ahmedabad for 38 years, which is my age. And I have, regarding my education, I have done MBA in finance and LLB and various certificates in banking and financial field. Right. For nearly 13-14 years, I have been working in the bank. And for past 2 years, I have my own consultancy regarding project finance and corporate finance. And regarding my family background, I live with my mother, father. I have my wife and 2 lovely children.
Wonderful.
So this is the family I have been.
Amazing. Yeah. And your books are about, can you show your books? I think you have your physical copies of the books so that people can see it.
Yes. This is my first book, The 7 Secrets to Financial Freedom for the Women.
For women, specifically for women?
Yes, it is specially for the women. And I also another book. It is the 8 Financial Secrets for Entrepreneurs. This is regarding entrepreneurs.
Wonderful. So precisely whatever background you have, and whatever knowledge skill you acquired in those 14 years, you have tried to capture that knowledge in the form of books so that people can get benefited with that.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So how did this writing seed came into your mind? I mean, you are into finance professional.
Yes.
When did this thought started of writing a book? When did the first time idea came to your mind to write a book?
Actually, my father is a writer. He has wrote various poems.
Okay.
So, but I have never thought to write the book. But during the lockdown period, I was thinking what to do right now in this period of time. So I have attended some seminars and able to know that one can write the book and one can also publish the book. And one thing is I have decided that I am from the financial background. So I want to write something regarding the finance and other things. But actually I was not able to understand what to write, how to write, all the other things. So I write the book. So what are the basic questions of the people? 100 questions the people are facing. So I write all these questions and answer them and write it in the form of a book.
Wonderful. So why don't you talk about something, let's say entrepreneurs? What kind of advice this book is giving to the entrepreneur? Just let's have some overview of the book. What kind of financial secrets you are going to tell or to the entrepreneurs? Just a brief idea what this book is about so that people can know about the book.
Yes, regarding the entrepreneurs, as the entrepreneurs, they are having the mastery in their field. For example, if someone is into manufacturing, they know how to do the manufacturing.
Mhm.
If someone is into trading, they know how to do the trading, all those things,
Mhm.
But the main thing is the finance. Finance is the lifeblood of the business.
Mhm. Correct.
So I have seen in many cases that they are depending on the accountants and CAs and other things.
Mhm.
Depend on them is a good thing, but if they are not able to understand by themselves
Mhm.
how to act, so I have written this book to know how they can acquire the knowledge of regarding the finance.
Mhm.
The basic thing is how to get the finance. If someone has done the startup, then how one can
Mhm.
get the finance. So
Mhm.
through the angel investors,
Mhm.
venture capitalists, if the business is grown, then it is
Mhm.
through the
Mhm.
private equities they can get the things, and
Mhm.
afterwards how they can manage the finance.
Mhm.
So it is regarding the accounting, how to see the balance sheets, how
Okay.
to see the profit and loss, and
Mhm.
how to analysis them, how to
Mhm.
do the ratio analysis, profit
Mhm.
and cash flow statement, fund flow
Okay.
statements. I have
Okay.
written all these things in this book.
Okay. So it
And
could it be said like it's a book for like as they say, finance for a non-professional or non-finance people,
yes,
somebody who's
yes,
just an entrepreneur. You are of the view that they should be having at least basic idea of all these things, right? So that's
yes,
what is
yes,
this book is about.
yes,
Great,
yes, all these things regarding that. And
wonderful.
also the book discusses about if I have written the book starting from the story. So
Hmm.
one would be attracted to read the story. It is in the
Hmm.
form of story as well as in the form of financial thing. So
Hmm.
one, so those who is do not like to read, so it would be interesting for them to read this book.
Hmm. Good.
Story from this.
And you have like a second other book is about women financial freedom.
Yes,
So
sir.
one is for on. So you are primarily talking about finance to different set of people. One
Yes,
to
yes,
entrepreneur, one to women. What
yes.
exactly is into the book about financial freedom for women? 8 secrets or 7 secrets you have
Yes,
told
yes.
about.
It was 7 secrets regarding the financial freedom for the women.
Yeah.
It is basically it is to learn, earn, save, invest, and grow the money.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, I have seen that in India or most of the world, world is dominated by the male,
Mm-hmm.
and most of the decisions are taken by the male,
Mm-hmm.
and the female doesn't know how to mm, doesn't have much knowledge regarding the finance, but they are
Correct.
the good finance manager.
Mm.
They manage the funds, they have the kitty, and they can bargain with the all of the vendors and all the
Mm.
these
Mm.
things, and they can save the amount.
Right.
But finance is personal finance is much more than that. So what they have saved, they can invest in some other things, and they
Mm.
can get the much return.
Mm.
And I have also seen various cases where husband has died and woman has got the divorce. Other thing is there. Most of the cases in India, woman has the life expectancy more than the male, so they should also know the finance
Mm.
thing. And if the male person is not there, and if so, they have to depend on other person.
Mm.
And if it has been done, then the other person may take the undue advantage of the situation.
Mm.
So it would be very much difficult for them to do the thing,
Right.
and they might have the responsibility of the children or
Mm.
parents-in-laws.
Mm.
So this book is regarding specially for the women.
Mm.
And in this book, the main thing is regarding the first chapter is regarding the how to their mindset
Mm.
regarding the money.
Mm.
So the clears, I have cleared all these things, that how to change the mindset regarding all these things. And
But sorry to stop you in between. Why it is why a finance book is starting with a mindset for women? Why?
yes, yes, in finance, it is a personal finance for the women,
Hmm.
specifically the personal finance. So
Mm-hmm.
before the personal finance, so mindset is required to be changed for the women.
Hmm. Hmm.
If they think that I what the need for me to know about the finance,
Hmm.
and why I should learn the
Hmm.
finance, why should I invest in the
Hmm.
things. And
Hmm. Hmm.
so this is one small chapter regarding the mindset I
Hmm.
have put.
Because in India, like women have a different mindset that okay, हमें तो क्या सीखना है? Why to
Yes,
get into this stuff? Husband will do. It's not my duty.
yes,
So
yes, yes,
the book starts with basically
yes,
to make them ready that this book is for you, huh?
yes, yes.
Why this book is important for you?
Yes.
Good, 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 good.
And the second chapter is regarding the management of the expenses. That
Hmm.
means how they can manage the their expenses. So there are different tools. For example, there are applications in the Android, thereby they can do the write the finance, what the expenses is on day-to-day basis. So if
Hmm.
there is unnecessary expenses are there, they would able to understand this thing.
Hmm.
And also in this book there regarding the how to generate the income for the woman. So
Hmm.
there are various types of passive incomes are there. That
Hmm.
means affiliate commission and broadcasting, podcasting and
Hmm.
blogging and rent the car. So
Okay.
various types of passive incomes are there.
Okay.
So if they are fit at the home, then they can also earn the passive income from various types of the sources.
Hmm.
So it is being written regarding that.
Hmm.
And
I guess your wife would have contributed to this book also. You might
yes,
have
yes.
taken some advice from her as
Yes,
to
yes,
what should.
yes, 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 yes. You also taken I have taken
Hmm.
the advice from her.
Right,
So,
right,
right.
right, right. Great, great. So your book titles itself show that who should be reading these books. I mean,
Yes,
one book is for entrepreneurs, one is for women. So yes, the way Apurva is explaining everybody, you just need to try out these books. If you are entrepreneur, try the entrepreneur book. If you are a woman, you need to understand why money saving, money earning, and passive income creation is important for you, and you should take that into account. So wonderful, Apur, for sharing about the journey of your precisely about your book. Now let's get into your writing publishing journey, and you have hit bestseller at Amazon India for all the three books.
yes, sir.
What was the journey about? I mean, lockdown has been being blamed by many people that it was a bad year for many people, but I think for many of the people who are knowledge givers, they got some kind of thinking hats on, and they started to think what to do. So
Yes,
lockdown has proven to be some kind of blessing in disguise for you. Published three books in a row, huh?
yes, sir.
So
It was
now, yeah, go ahead.
yes. Lockdown period was there, so one is able to think what to do. The other thing, this is
Yeah.
the routine which we are doing, the
Yeah.
work we are doing.
Hmm.
So this other thing, expect the routine. We can learn various things, and we
Hmm.
can able to understand
Hmm.
what to do. What are the capabilities in our that we don't know.
Hmm. 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 So
So
lockdown made so many authors.
yes, sir.
Wonderful. Now, talk about the journey from. I mean, you are a son of a writer, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
writing was somehow in your blood,
blood.
but
Yes, sir.
you found the outlet in the form of talking about your experience, and lockdown helped you, of course. So
Yes.
writing you could do on your own. Publishing, marketing. Talk about that. Was it difficult? Or was it a learnable thing and you did it well? What was the journey and what kind of challenges were there? Talk about them.
Also, one thing is writing that I have written the book, but when I able to understand from you and take the guidance from you,
Hmm.
so I have made the various changes in the writing
Hmm.
thing. So how to there are various changes I able to understand format, how to do and how to put in a systematic way. This is the thing.
Hmm.
And regarding the publishing,
Sorry,
uh,
1 second. Regarding writing, you made some changes. You had already had some manuscript. You made some changes to make it like you wanted to. Is it a structure thing which you changed, like book structure or what?
yes, yes, yes. Something, yes, book structure, in structure which I have got the knowledge from your seminars. So regarding some structure points
Hmm.
and all these things. So it was helpful for me. Even
Hmm.
after writing the book, I have made various changes
Hmm.
by the guidance from the seminars and from,
Hmm.
right.
Courses. Hmm.
Yes, yes, yes. These are courses.
Yeah. What about publishing?
And regarding publishing is concerned, basically, I was not able to understand how to publish the book and how to do these things. So, your courses were a boon for me. It was
Hmm.
very helpful for me to publish the book. I have seen the courses for nearly 2 or 3 times,
Hmm.
then able to understand how to publish the book. Basically, I'm not a very much techno savvy person,
Hmm.
but you explained in a very great manner. So I am able to publish the book, and also you have a various communities. Members are also helping
Hmm.
each other.
Hmm.
So if I have stuck in one thing, then various members from the group has helped how to do these things, and various
Hmm.
small points are there where one can stop from doing these things.
Hmm.
So they also help a lot for doing these things.
Hmm.
And after the publishing the book, I have understood that how to market the book from your sessions also,
Hmm.
that how to do the marketing and and there are various tools which has been explained regarding how to one should not be cheap to be greatness for the great. This is the thing I have learned from you. So I have invested in various tools and able to understand by how it is able to save the time and able to market the book.
Right.
So I also marketed the book,
Mm.
and after writing the second book, after hit the bestseller, so I have moved towards the writing the second book, and afterwards it hit the bestseller, and I have write towards the third book.
Wonderful.
And right now I am in writing the fourth book, which is complete within 10-15 days.
So let's see. People, look at this. Somebody who was not thinking of writing a book at all or thinking for a long time, lockdown made him write a series of books. He has already written 3 books. He's writing 4 books. How many books do you want to write, Apurva?
It is not known, but I want to keep continuously on writing these
Okay.
books.
You are open to serendipity. Whatever comes in, you'll just see how the life unfolds. Huh?
Yes, at least I have made the routine to write at least 2 hours a day
Okay.
at the night time. So after doing all the routine things, so I write the book for at least 2 hours a day.
That brings me to the next question, because writing a book for most people is like a lifetime project, and you're writing book after book, right? So what are the special things which one needs to have in them? I mean, I'm not, you already said that writing is not for like super talented people. What
Yes.
exactly are the some traits or habits which you developed in the process of writing, which is making you to write book after book after book? Talk about them so that readers, watchers of this video, they could also get some idea that if Apurv can do it, then I can do it. Go
Yes.
ahead.
Uh, Basically, I was told that I was not a writer before 6-7 months,
Hmm.
and I got the inspiration by attending the seminars and things. So it is by writing the first book, I find it difficult, but after the first book, second book, it was very easy to write the
Hmm.
book, and third book and fourth book right now I feel very easy to write the book.
Hmm.
So the beginning is very important. One should begin to write the things,
Hmm.
and consistency is important thing. Every day
Hmm.
at least write at least 10, 15, 20 minutes if you don't have the time, but at least write something
Hmm.
on the day-to-day basis, and you can get much information from various sources you can get, and whatever the knowledge you have acquired during this year,
Hmm.
so book is there in the mind of the person,
Okay.
so everyone should write the book at least, and
Hmm.
they it is a one if you think that it is a very difficult thing and big process, it is a very simple thing. And after, obviously, one thing is that after attending your seminars and your courses, I find it very easy thing to
Hmm.
write the
Hmm.
book and publish the book as well as marketing the book.
Wonderful, wonderful. So everyone, Apurva is giving some wonderful wisdom nuggets. Number one, like, see, every journey starts with a single step. 1,000 miles journey starts with a single step, and you have to get started somewhere. So, and second is everything is difficult before it becomes easy. The same thing which appeared to Apurva as a difficult thing in the first book, now it is appearing to be simple.
Yes.
This reminds me a quote of Robin Sharma, which I keep on telling Apurva. I'll say again here:
Yes.
everything is ugly in the beginning, messy in the middle, and beautiful in the end. And we can see you are in the beautiful phase right now.
Yes.
Wonderful, great to have you here, Apurva. And let's now talk about. See, you joined not the courses only. You have access to now hundreds of friends in the community.
Yes.
How
Yes.
you just talked about a little bit about how this. So this is. I mean, I don't have only the courses. It's a community of authors. We are friends here. So
Yes.
let's talk about the environment in the. I mean, in the weekly sessions in the community. How do you interact with people, and what kind of environment is it? A family-like feel, or you have friends? What kind of feelings are coming to your mind when you talk about this community at large?
The first thing is that the investment I made in this course, and it was hundreds of time return I am getting in this course. Not regarding this course, but also I have found various friends, author friends, who is helping each other to write the book and publish the book, marketing the book. If one is stuck in somewhere, so they are helping. They're coming to help to do this thing.
Hmm.
Otherwise, it is not possible in other communities if one is
Hmm.
doing
Hmm.
like this.
Right.
And also you have done the various publithon, hackathon in this
Mm.
thing,
Mm.
and it was a very good thing. So I was able to understand how to. I also teach various 8 to 10 authors how to do this thing.
Hmm.
Learn from you and teach the others, and they also hit the bestseller thing. So
Yeah.
it was, so it was very
Hmm.
important thing that I was also able to teach the people what
Hmm.
you have taught to me.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, I was interviewing somebody else, and he said that you helped her in terms of publishing her book. He was stuck in some technical stuff, and you guided her how to do it. So yes, this community is based on the feelings of love and collaboration, and we are helping each other. Wonderful. So you can see your face. You are happy with this community, right?
definitely, sir.
Wonderful. So now, before we part the ways, what is your advice to now Apurv?
Yes, sir.
Talk your heart out to the person who is watching this interview, who is thinking of writing a book,
Mhm.
and he's feeling like, can I write? Writing is a different set of people. Can I publish? It is very difficult. Now talk to that person. Advise that person that what he should do, because you have gone through all the phases, and now talk to that person.
The first thing is that everything seems to be difficult in the first phase,
Hmm.
but if you dive into that, then it would, you find that difficulties are there. It is always there in anything. Difficulties is there,
Hmm.
but you are getting the coach, you are getting the help through all the courses and from the author friends. So they would be pushing you in this
Hmm.
manner.
Hmm.
And writing the book is not difficult thing for a person. It is
Hmm.
all the thing that you have to find to whom you have to target the book,
Hmm.
what the knowledge you have, and write the at least 100 questions and answer all the questions, and it would be form in the book itself. So
Hmm.
it is not a difficult task to write the book. And regarding the publishing the book, everything is learnable. It is a learnable skill.
Hmm.
If you able to first, I was thinking where to publish, so I was finding so many publishers here and there. I was not able to understand how to do these things. So now it is an easy platform that one can easily able to publish the book by themselves.
Hmm.
And if one want to change the book, any other thing they want to change it, then they can also do like this, as if
Yes.
you are a publisher itself.
Yes.
And the basically the publisher also don't put much effort for marketing the book.
Hmm.
So you can market the book through various the type of the things which is told in your course. So it is a very good thing to do this thing.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you are experiencing the freedom after coming to Author Freedom Hub, right? A lot of
Definitely,
freedom
sir.
in writing your books at your pace, a lot of freedom in publishing, making changes or making changes in your marketing plan, everything you can do on your own, right?
Yes, it was.
Wonderful, wonderful. So it was really a great to have you here on the show, Apurv. It was really you shared very good value nuggets. So thank you so much for being here. And now everybody, if you're watching this video, and if there is someone, if there is some author inside you, which everybody has a book inside them, because there is a saying that we have there is a some research on internet which says that we have like 60,000 thoughts running in our head on a daily basis. So we all of us have some kind of thoughts, emotions, feelings, and experience in our mind which can come out in the form of book. So if you are the one who is having a seed of becoming an author, I invite you to watch a free training below this video. Click on the link below in the description, and you will be able to watch this free training video. And if the training resonates with you, you have an opportunity of getting joining the community inside that training itself. And if you are some entrepreneur, or if you are a woman who want to become empowered, so the book from Apurv Parik is something you must put your hands on, because these books are going to empower you in terms of understanding of your financial uh, freedom, because these are coming directly from the expert of finance who has spent like 14 years in the journey of finance. So the links of Apurv's book are also down below this video. So please put your hands on the books. And with that, we'll be now saying bye bye to Apurv. And before I say bye bye to Apurv, I won't let you go until you give us one final parting piece of advice to everybody in this masterclass, in this training session or video, whatever.
One thing is that the more you give, the more you will receive. This is the thing I want to say.
Mm-hmm.
It is the spiritual thing, but it is the same thing. It follows everywhere. The
Mm.
more you give and the more you will receive. This is the thing I
Mm.
want to say.
Wonderful. What a wonderful advice. It ended on a very spiritual note. Wonderful. So thank you so much, Apoor, for being here. And everybody, if you are new watching this video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get notified of all the future interviews coming in. And I would be having a lot many authors. We have like 1,000+ authors in the community, and a lot of breakthroughs, a lot of bestsellers are coming in the community. So I'll be inviting some more author the next time. So please hit subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get all the notification to it. And with that, we take your leave. Thank you, Apoor, once again. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
Yeah, thank you, sir.